We are here this morning and Dad just got hooked onto some grass, but we're gonna try to bass fish Mr. Brian. He's right here. He brought us fishing this morning. We are on these poles and he just got a hook set. There's his fish. Oh, nice little bass there. It's actually a pretty big bass. So literally seconds after Mr. Brian's fish, same spot, almost different spot. They're different pole, but I just got another fish.
Yeah, the boy got to put that camera to him.
It is. It's right here.
I've done something dumb.
There's the fish. So, I got a hook set on this fish. Thought I did not get the fish. So I reeled in, checked my Cinco or whatever they're called. We use worms.
Look at there. Let's get that rod back.
This fish right here. I'm glad I got him in the boat. Well, I didn't get a very good hook set on him, as you see. But here's the fish. See if Joe Butterfingers can get it in the butt here. The pole's behind you, Dad. Don't step that. There we go. Brian, he was getting some line around his pole, and he got a fish, and somewhere right back there, but he can't reel it in because the line is around his pole. So now he's trying to get the line out of his pole. You want me to pull it in by my hand? Okay, so he just got it untangled, and now he's getting in the fish.
There's a pig. I'm telling you, it's a pig. You better be ready to catch it.
Oh yeah, that's a pretty good one. Yeah, it came off.
Broke my line because of the
There we go. So we just dumped it up, and Dad got one, and then I felt nibbles, and I set the hook. So here's the fish.
There's the other fish.
So yeah, probably about a nice pounder or 2 pounder or so.
This is probably a 3 pounder right
Doubled up. We just got a fish, Mr. Brian. That's what, 3 now you've got?
That's about
18. 18. I've only gotten 7 and I'm still in the lead. Dad just got this fish here, jumping a couple times. See what it is. Look at that. How about what we've been catching? Nice. It's a good fish. Hope you enjoy and please subscribe.